field day today. I got energy in here.
That's like a river.
Today I'm going to play in it's sunny Sunday day. Just field day. But I need to feed it there. Here it's getting big, long. Grass is getting long. My super
Oh, it's very hot in the Philippines.
wow, sana all. Welcome to the Philippines, Day. So, long na. This is just my daily
I'm
life.
making a dirt soup.
My single mom, the
Single
daily
mom.
life of the single mom. Right, Maria?
Yes.
Yes, yes, it's here.
Go. You were interrupted my boy.
I tell you, I just love watching Fatima cut the grass with scissors. I'm sure you've seen it before on a previous video, but it's just not something I'm used to, right? You're probably not used to that. I mean, how many ladies in America are going to cut your grass with a pair of scissors? Now look, folks, we don't have 10 acres worth of grass to cut. We have a very small, that little small section of grass. That's all we have. You know, in a lot of places, that's all they have. I don't need a weed eater, don't need a lawnmower. All I need is my beautiful Filipino wife to go to work with those scissors. It's just beautiful. I love to watch her mop, wash clothes by hand, things of that nature. Yeah, it just makes me fall in love with that old girl all over again. Yeah, I could buy her some of those big, bush, what do you call those, hedge trimmers or what have you. I'd take the fun out of it, plus they're too dangerous. Let her stick to the scissors. Maybe I get her a smaller pair of scissors, like the safety scissors. I'm big on safety, especially with the children running around. Might take her a little bit longer, but if I was there watching her in person, sitting there with my cigar, cold beer, it's just wonderful. How can you not love that? So this is what I want you to do. Next time you got to cut the grass, especially if you're in America, out in the suburbs, just tell your wife this. You say, look, baby, times are hard, the gas price is up. I don't want to hurt my back cranking that old lawnmower. Just hand her a pair of scissors. Now, these are my glasses, but you just hand her a pair of scissors, say, I want you to go outside, even if it takes you all day, and cut the grass. You do that for me, right? Because I'm that important to you. There you go. Times are hard, we got to save money, and I'm getting older. And see if your American wife or your Filipino wife who's living in America will go out in that front yard with those scissors and cut the grass in front of all the neighbors. Yeah, I'll come back down to reality. I don't think that's going to happen. What would happen? Especially, the neighbors probably think you have a mail order bride. Oh yeah, that's Bob down the street. He's got a mail order bride. Poor Asian girl over there. Could be trafficking. Send your Filipino wife out in the front yard with a pair of scissors and see how long it takes the neighbors to get together and start gossiping. Somebody gonna call 911. He's keeping her as a slave. Well, how do you know? Look at her. She's out in the front yard cutting the grass with a pair of scissors. This damn slave driver over there. Sometimes I entertain myself. Anyhow, big shout out to Fatima for cutting the grass, baby. She cuts the grass, then she sweeps up the grass, puts it in the bag. No need for a lawnmower. No need for the weed eater. Quite proud of her. She's been cooking for the kids while I've been gone. You know, in the past few videos, you fine viewers out there can clearly see the stress that I'm under, while she's over there just basically chilling with the kids. You know, sometimes life ain't fair. Old single dad gets the rough end of the stick, my friends. Looks like it's gonna be a sunny day. I'm gonna work on my tan today in the swimming pool. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching my show. Thanks for being a loyal viewer here on my channel. I certainly appreciate you. Anyhow, without further ado, let's go back to the show.
Forrest G, you're going to help mommy, Forrest. Forrest, you're going to help mommy, or are you going to... Yeah, careful. Pag-init na to. Ikaw sleepless.
Okay.
I love us.
Do not steal that hot one. No, Forrest. No, no, no.
I'm going to use in here because I don't have another silky. I just clean this later.
Now it's school for me. I don't
School
go
ka?
to school. I thought that's a cool on camera. Telling my heart without you. Time to take a walk. It's fun taking life.
Digging again there, Maya. Sige, manakadig ka ng dirt eh. Oh guys, I'm going to cook a soup because kids like soup. What you have for us? Uy! So I'm waiting until the pork gets tender. I put a nor already. I put one nor. Though it tender the meat. I already put the cabbage. So I'm going to wait until it is finished. Then we're going to eat. Single mom in the house, cooking for the kids. Rice and soup. Delicious. Good job. You're eating vegetables, the cabbage. You like the cabbage, right? Right? Good job. It's okay?
The grass is sharp.
Yes. No, the
Scissors.
yes. Be careful of that. Just don't hold like that. After that I will pay you $1.
What? 1,000.
Nakakaila, sorry mo. 1,000.
100.
No, $1 lang.
No, that's not fair.
Maman, ganun, I will pay you $1.
1,000.
1,000 kailaso. Kailaso na bata, uy. $1 lang. Okay? Okay.
Kani ma?
Hindi ka na tanan. Grass mo na tanan. All of that is grass, so we need to cut that. Be careful, eh. Not to.
Ako video.
No, ikaw lang. Sige na.
This is for grown-ups, but yeah, this sharp.
Eh, put in there. Then go grab the grass. Sige na.
Okay, so it looks like Fatima, I gave her all this praise for chopping the grass, but it looks like she did make the attempt to subcontract the work out to my daughter. Now, my daughter is a diva. Yes, it's my fault. Yes, she does work and chores around the house. But cutting the grass with scissors, that's not her cup of tea. So Fatima tries to rope her into it. Obviously, Maria tries to get out of it and make mud pies. I guess my daughter was sort of victorious because you can clearly see in the video Fatima cut most of the grass. Yay. Kids these days. Anyhow, folks, again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I stopped saying that for the longest time, but I think I'm supposed to say that, and like the like button lights up, which will bring your attention to click the like button. Smash that like button. I think that's supposed to do something. I don't know. I read it. I'm experimenting with it. So far, I haven't seen nothing happen. I saw it on somebody else's video, but I'm not seeing it on my own. So make sure you like and subscribe. Smash that like button. I'm trying to get to 1 million subscribers here by tonight. 10 million by Christmas. I've been trying to do that for about 10 years now. But it could happen. I'm an optimist. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one.
Under.
Ba? Sige na. Bigger ka naman. You need to work.
Let me camera big.
No, sige na.